Let's talk about the remaining products. We all know that Skincerity is one of our major flagship product, but remember when we spoke last time, I mentioned about some points that there are few things that are very important for life. One is nutrition, another one is hydration, and third one is protection. So you have to give nutrition, hydration, and protection. From that point of view, when we were using Skincerity, it is giving you a bunch of that, but now it's time to actually protect your skin from what is happening outside around the world, which we don't have any control on. So there came the Rejuvenating Barrier. What I want you to do is help me out, and when we say read the ones, if you can actually appreciate. You know, there is something called red-green blindness. Okay, I hope nobody has a purple one. So there are some words there are in purple on those slides, and I want you to make sure that you read them and then you understand what it's saying. So, the world's only daytime water-based skin barrier. What it does? Nutrition. Perfect. Apart from that, what else it does? Perfect. What else? You got it. So that's all it is about. We have to remember these words. It's water-based. That is the key, biggest, most important part. It infuses nutrition, gives what is necessary for your skin. Oh, I have been ignoring these guys, sorry. And it protects your skin. Wasn't I too far from you? Yeah, so that's not good. I see that. So that's the most important part of it. So what skin conditions you're looking for that can be taken care of with this? You have rough, dry, dull skin. You don't want that. Visual, fine lines, blotchy, you don't want that either. You don't want the response of these electric lights. All these lights, high halogen lights, they actually cause damage to your skin. You don't want that. That's why you need a barrier. Okay, whenever I see the barrier, it just kind of like takes me away again back to that same mode. I'm not talking about any other barrier outside this room. We're talking about the barrier that eliminates the bad effect of the ultraviolet light, or some dead skin is going to be produced because of that. So we don't want that. So remember, it's a barrier to the light. It's a barrier to the harmful ultraviolet lights. It's a barrier to the lights that is produced by these flashy lights outside in day-to-day act. We say, oh, I'm not even going out in sun, but it does not make any difference because you're exposed to the light anyways. Important. What else is so special about it? You see the slide. It says, under makeup. You can wear it under any makeup. That's only you can do when it is water-based. Increases the hydration, so it supplements the Skincerity. So what happens is, you're applying Skincerity at night, and when you have the hydration, but if your body is not making that enough hydration, and you have applied Skincerity, to some extent, it is saving what you're about to lose. But you need extra hydration from outside as well, and for that purpose, this is the hydration you need for your body to wick in. And then, it reduces wrinkles. Help me out. It reduces wrinkles and protects, again, free radical damage. Very important. I won't mind if you guys actually just read it out in between when we talk, because I would like to have more input from you, because I want to make sure you're not sleeping. So just do the favor. And for men, we are not leaving you behind. You guys may think that everything is for women, but we all have a skin, the same thing. So it's a great aftershave as well. Looking at the next one, this is just a simple slide which is showing you can use under any makeup, which has been a big major issue on anything that is to be used. So being a water-based product that can go under the makeup keeps you, let you use your own makeup, whichever you want, and it won't be affected. That's a good thing. So what does it have? It has got lutein, it has got trehalose, and it has got sodium hyaluronate. These three products, let's not get very, very deep into it, but I will give you a very simple example. The color of the product is kind of yellowish. Now, lutein is a pigment that is found inside the retina of your eyes. How many of you know that? Okay, that is the same pigment which is protecting your eyes, because when you are seeing this light, you are actually not letting the harmful ultraviolet light affect your retina, and lutein protects it. Same thing is there. That's what it is doing by absorbing and not letting that ultraviolet light affect your skin cells that may cause accelerated aging. Then trehalose is the next one, which is also a very important sugar, which is important for the nourishment of your cell. And the third one is sodium hyaluronate, which holds on. It does not let the water go away. It kind of like grabs the water. You give it one drop of water, it will actually multiply to 10,000 times and hold all of that water according to the weight. So even one drop of hyaluronate is able to at least 10,000 times of the water attached to it. So it controls the water and doesn't let it go out. That's the most important part. So you have all three. You have nutrition, you have antioxidant, you have hydration and plumping of the skin. So what it is going to do? Vanish the wrinkles. It's gonna plump the skin. It is going to iron it from inside out. It's going to give you the nutrition. So let's see this one. The barrier science. When you are using this, lutein itself is increasing the hydration by 40%. Elasticity is improved by 21%. Skin lipid peroxidation, which is the #1 cause of the damage to your skin. Since we spoke about lipid peroxidation, let's go back into the basics. For those who have attended the previous lectures and topics, our skin is made up of like a sandwich. It has a layer of fat and the layer of water. Layer of fat, water, collagen, and so on and so on. It's like a sandwich. So if you do not have healthy fat in the skin, and the fat which is already present there, it is being peroxidized, or it has been oxidized by the ultraviolet light, it will damage the skin. So that's why when you are using lutein and it lowers down that damage process, which is called lipid peroxidation, means fat peroxidation. It's going to lower it down, and then it is going to make your skin texture improved much better. And then at the same time, fat is not a bad thing. Very important. Lipids are really, really important for your skin. So good fat, bad fat, all of that words you remember. But when the fat gets burned or it is oxidized, it gets bad. But the healthy fat is very, very important to make your skin plump. And that was a missing link in the skin. So we get that back with the lutein. So very, very important.